Hello, so we are on another parts run today, just done the little bit of top up in the MX5. First we're going off to Tilbury and we're going to pick up some parts from there, and then we're going to see two pretty nuts MX5 builds. Don't actually know where they are, somewhere in the Essex area. I need to message them, but it should make for a good video. Again, get to see some cars a lot better looking than my heap of junk, but as usual I'm running a little bit late, so let's go. Probably not the safest way of doing it. I feel like I'm going to get beheaded in a second by my side skirts, but they're in the car. So these are the Bomex style ones. They've got like the little bit here and there. Not too wild because I'm still running a GV lip at the moment, so I don't want to go too crazy, but we have got some more aero. So yeah, shout out to that guy for being the plug. It, another day done. I've really got to apologise for my bad filming again. It was just nice to chill and not really like force the camera around and stuff like that. So we have now got some cool side skirts, which is sick, and it was good to hang around Hubner and the boys and all their MX5s and an E36 and bits like that, just random stuff. That was annoying. So yeah, just remembered that my camera died trying to do the outro on that, and I've just realised now while editing. So the side skirts I'll probably show you in another video at some point. I'm catching up on a little backlog that I've got of about 2 to 3 videos, so we'll be there soon. So I'll show you them soon. Got a couple of unique ideas for them. Let me know your opinion on short videos, because I think this is only probably going to be about 4 or 5 minutes, maybe something like that. I'm struggling to kind of lengthen things out, but I don't want to make something really boring to watch. Another thing I do want to shout is that we are currently on 930 Instagram followers.
Another one. Another one.
And I do want to hit 1k at the end of the month, so that at Broke Boys at the Farm I can basically give out those stickers to you guys. A couple have already been given out. I've kind of done it a little bit early to some exclusive people, but I have still got enough to go around if we hit that 1k by the end of the month. Yeah, Broke Boys at the Farm, end of June. Pretty much every video is going to be prep leading up until that show, and hopefully we get sort of phase 2 of the MX5 done for the show. Yeah, that is pretty much it. Leave a like if you did enjoy it. If you didn't, comment section, all of that, subscribe, all that good stuff. And until the next one, I'll see you later.
It's always been about bragging and boasting, and I'm better than you with this, and I'm better than you with that, and I finally found something that, yeah, this kid over here, you know, he may have more chicks, like he may have better clothes or whatever, but he can't do this like me.